easiest and most obvious way to shoot this is having her in the middle, shooting it straight on, but you also want to shoot it from different angles. Shoot it from high, shoot it from low, shoot it from an angle so that you can capture it in different ways. You'd be surprised, my favorite shot here was the one taken from the side. If you are watching this, please I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my creative juices started to get flowing. I saw this corner, it created a triangle, and it created symmetry on each side. And yo, I am so high on this shot. It came out so good. You best believe you're gonna see me again with a wide angle lens because these shots are dynamic. They're different. They look different. Tamron just dropped a 28mm to 200mm lens. This could be the best all-around lens available right now. But my biggest question is it any good? We're gonna find out in this video.